Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title today, we're going to have a look and see what's in my pink parcel. So I have to say I actually cancelled my subscriptions at the start of the year to save money. And as much as I was okay with having cancelled some of my subscriptions, I was not happy that I cancelled my pink parcel. Especially because of what pink parcel is. So if you have been under a rock for a long time, Pink Parcel is a subscription that is monthly. It is for people on their periods. They do have a sister box that is for teenagers, and they send you all the products you need. So I use tampons and sanitary towels at night, so they send me enough for my full period. So here is a box of tampons. So they will send me enough for 5 days because I told them that's generally how long mine lasts. So this is my box for night. And then they also send you a wee bag, and these bags are so handy. I have them in so many different bags of mine around the house, and I'll just pop what I need into them. So they'll also send you panty liners as well, and these wee bags are so handy. So you pop those in your bag. But what I love is you pay $13.95. You get all your sanitary products, but you also get a box of goodies for yourself. So every month they send you at least one drinkable item and one edible item, and then they send you a mixture of goodies. They have had a few issues, and I did talk about that in one of my other videos. But I did stick by them. I believed in them. I'm glad they're getting back on track. So right away I'm seeing my first item is one of the Whitworth shots, and it's toffee and pecan. It's 99 calories, and it's a shot of sultanas, dates, toffee balls and pecan pieces. So they'll always try and put something in that's a wee bit more healthy. Sometimes they'll put in something that's a wee bit more decadent, but it's not something that you're going to eat a ton of. But it is just to give yourself a wee treat. I do like that it's something, a lot of the time it's something that you would maybe indulge in a wee bit, just to give yourself some wee boost. So I really like this here. I love toffee, I love pecan, so this is right up my street. So our tea this month is from the Smarter Tea. I really love this brand. It's a detox green tea with vitamins, and it's apple and blackcurrant, and it's a cleansing detox. So I'm looking forward to trying that. It says, this tea is perfect for the day after, the night, weekend, month before. Give your body some TLC with this bag of super good green tea blended with milk thistle, dandelion root, ginseng and added B and C vitamins, all blended with natural fruit flavours. Good for you when you want your body back to being a temple again. So I'll give myself a wee slip of that. So we also get a nail polish. Not really fussed on getting nail polishes, obviously, because, you know, I have all the nail polishes I need in the salon. It's a nice colour. I think what I'll do is I'll give this to my sister-in-law. It's a very her colour. So it is Be Your Incredible Self. So it's Incredible Self with Nails ink. So this is a nails ink bottle. They've obviously changed how their bottles look. So yeah. That's okay. We also have a Sebamed Clear Face Mattifying Cream for impure and acne prone skin. Skincare complex for oily skin. Mattifies the skin by regulating sebum production. Care formula with horse chestnut soothes the skin. So this is a luxury sample. Let's see. It's a decent enough size, especially if you were traveling. That would be really good to pop in your bag. It's not something that I need. I don't use anything for like oily skin, so it's not something that I'm going to use. So I'll pass it on to somebody who does have oily skin, and they will be able to make the use of it. So what we have now is this, and this is Willie's ACV apple cider vinegar with the Mother, delicious as a tonic or dressing. So it says, attention, Always dilute before drinking. Raw, unpasteurized, guilt and gluten free. Shake to awaken the mother. Right, let me just see. Do we have... We used to get a card to tell us what all these things were. No. Still don't. So that's unfortunate. So it says, oops, we're so sorry to let you know we've run out of your selected product, and so we've swapped it for the best alternative. I'm not even sure what my selected product was. So let's see what this smells like. Oh my goodness. Wow. Have you tried apple cider vinegar? What do you drink it for? I'm gonna Google that. I know, I'm sure people use it for weight loss. Anyway, so the next item I'm seeing is by Style London. And it looks like a lipstick. Let me just see, it is sealed. Oh my goodness, this is hard to get off. It's a hydrating mousse matte lipstick in rosewood, and the way the sticker is on it, it is lower down than the actual seal. So that is really annoying. I'm going to try and peel it off and put it back on, because there's nothing here to tell you what the name of it is. And once you take that off, you would never know. Okay, so it's back on anyway. So here is the lipstick. Yeah, it's nice. It's a bit browner than I would like. Hey. Does feel a bit more moisturising than a matte lipstick normally would. Hydrating mousse matte lipstick. So it's probably one of those ones that takes a wee bit of time to dry. So we will see anyway. The last thing in this month's box is Band-Aids. Band-Z. I really, really like these. I actually have one in my hair right now. I just find them so, so handy. Much nicer than most baubles, and they don't break. So, okay my loves, so that is my first month back on the pink parcel. To be honest, most of the products aren't something that speak massively to me. You know, I can't use the nail, well, it's not that I can't use the nail polish, I won't use the nail polish because, you know, I have a million nail polishes and I use gel. The the mattifying sebum control oily skin product is not for me. If you're looking at this here, I've literally just put all my skincare products on before I did this video, so my SPF and stuff is still setting into my skin. The apple cider vinegar I'm interested in, so I'm going to check out what it actually does, what it's all about. And then the lipstick, I'm not sure how much wear I'll get out of it, but I will give it a go anyway. The Band-Z is probably one of the only products that I'm going to use on the daily. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of your pink parcel this month and what parcel is your favourite. I will see you next time. Love yous. Bye.